In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proton Mail account. Whether you're looking for a secure, privacy-focused email service, or simply exploring new options, Proton Mail could be the perfect fit for you. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to set up your account. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Proton Mail website. You can simply type in proton.me/mail into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a clean and straightforward layout. Proton Mail prides itself on its security and user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice among privacy-conscious users. On the home page, you'll see a prominent button labeled Get Proton Mail. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to a page where you can view the different plans that Proton Mail offers. Whether you're looking for a free option or considering a premium plan with more features, take a moment to explore what's available. The free plan is quite robust, but if you need more storage or additional features, the premium plans might be worth considering. After you've decided on the plan that suits your needs, the next step is to create your username and password. This part is crucial, as your username will form the first part of your new email address, so choose something that's both memorable and professional. For your password, it's essential to create a strong one to enhance the security of your account. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make it as secure as possible. Once you have your username and password sorted out, you'll be prompted to verify that you're not a robot. This step is standard practice to ensure the security of the platform. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve solving a simple puzzle or selecting specific images. Now that you've set up your account details, click on the button that says Start using Proton Mail now. This will finalize your registration and take you to your new inbox. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Proton Mail account. As you explore your new inbox, take note of the various features that Proton Mail offers. From encrypted emails to customizable folders and labels, there's a lot to discover. Feel free to adjust your settings to suit your personal preferences and make the most of this secure email service. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up your Proton Mail account. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you enjoy the peace of mind that comes with using a secure email service. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.